Urban Affairs Minister Sneo Bhalang Dhar said that the department will submit the blueprint related to the proposal for relocation of 342 families of Sweepers Colony from Them Yo Maulong on August 31st. Speaking to reporters, Dhar said a meeting has been called by the chairman of High-Level Committee, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, on August 31st, and then they will finalize the blueprint. Recently, there was a protest against the government's move to allot 3 acres of land near RP Chest Hospital for relocation of the Sweepers Colony residents. Dhar, however, said if there is some reaction, the government will not go against the will of the people. He said the government will take everybody on board before taking a final call on the relocation of the said residents. Nongkrim MLA Lambor Malnyang on Tuesday inaugurated